Hi guys, long time no see. Now here is the testing area for the automatic system going to Africa. Here's for sending machine for Chinese brand customer. In this area, final testing, processing and finish verification here. After testing, make sure all the details okay. Then we will invite the customer for investment, for inspection. This is a big size, up to 45, up to 60 millimeter, 60 cm. This one. Okay. This year, the sanding machine is very popular. Many electrical kettle, pots and pans, making sun ray finish inside. This is reverting machine. This is the central control wax tank for rotary polish. Mainly sanding machine. That side is for bottom and edge polishing. Here's some big size polishing mode, sanding mode. See? For hotel pot. 400. 600. This is a 30 cm. The machine can cover 30 to 60 cm for professional pot range.